This simulation looks at a cube that's 1 meter on each side and calculates how far it sinks into a liquid. Now this is a function of which liquid we pick, and we can select amongst 3 liquids here, or we can pick a specific gravity for the liquid using the slider. Likewise, we can pick 3 materials for the cube here, or we can pick a custom value for the specific gravity. As the specific gravity of the cube increases, of course, it sinks further into the liquid. If it's high enough, it will sink to the bottom of the liquid. So we'll look at the simulation and observe the behavior. So here's the simulation. Pick a different cube, heavier oak, it sinks quite a bit. Or we can use custom values. So if I make the specific gravity low, most of the cube is out of the water, where we're balancing the weight of the cube and the buoyant force. But if we make the specific gravity too high, it sinks to the bottom of the liquid once the weight is higher than the buoyant force. Of course, in a different liquid with a higher specific gravity, then the cube is going to float higher above the liquid surface.